You go first. And wine last. Let me do this magic tricks for you. Coming right there, baby. Let me do this magic tricks for you, baby. Okay, lengakusho nje ukuthi i-character yaTom it was easy for me, but Lobo Cardi is facing the cameras because I have to reshoot again because I was afraid of the cameras only. But the funny part, it was easy for me. Yeah. No, I think there's a difference between the cameras wasebenze nala I was facing that day because sengijwayele my phone, then facing the real cameras and the real light. It was a dream to me. Yabo, bengibona nje yonke into yendeka like I was a superstar that day. So I have to straight shot. The first thing ngasho ukuthi it was a little bit hard because there was a woman on the bed, then half naked, and me, now I'm half naked, and angazi ngikwende lokho on my videos. So most of the time shooter sigqokile like So the first thing we hard, but ngokudimisela and I did it. Okay, I feel happy, but it's funny because if I move, then people will be laughing and say, "Damn, we didn't see the next scene." Yeah, it's fine. I can say that. I didn't expect that Magic Mike part. So bengicabanga nje ukuthi kuyoba iscene nje simple. Then ngeva my producer busy Magic Mike then my producer only to reference like who's like Magic Mike that movie. Then okay, I imagine that guy about Magic Mike we had dance over romantic. Then I come with an idea and I was okay. Let me be Magic Mike wasikazi. Now I'm a South African Magic Mike. Trust me. No, I think Tom. That's me. Yeah, skinny. When's my meme? Then I'm trying to every day. Yeah, Tom is a mina like every day. Yeah, it's my daily bread. No, I think my director when he wrote the script, I wouldn't do research because among us, the group, I don't think ukona bangayishaya that character. That's mine. I won it at the first time. Yeah. First time mangifunza le story ngicala kusibona ngibe nokuthuka nje ukuthi okay la ngibe ngihlala ipart lenje like ngiyoba necherry like okay most of the time nginokuacta nemngane wami bafana nje boys yabo angiact nabantu amatane kakhulu and ngibe nokuthuka like damn ngiyoba nentombatane be romantic yabo because into engijwayele nje ama jokes kuphela. Yeah, but whenever banginida character nje I'm fine. Okay, mangifunza le story lokufika engqondweni yami kube like okay, this is a girl story, angeke kube different ngaleyo ndlela. Ngeke kube hard ngaleyo ndlela because ngiphume eKasi then the story naso sikhuluma ngeKasi. So ngabe sikhuluma ngasema suburbsini bekutoba nje yabo nokuhluphanyana mara because it's all about girl style, girl life. Yeah.